All right, and this week I finished the week off making 1,000. No, hold on. All right, it is 7:53 in the morning for Monday. Okay, new week. All right, let's see how much money we make for a Monday. Mondays are usually good, so let's make this money. It's 3:09 p.m. and I made a total of 153. All right, 153 for today. And it's only 3:09. So, all right, let's see how much money we make for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. All right, 10 o'clock. 8 o'clock. I made a total of 222. I don't know. I could have made more money today. I'm just not feeling it. I don't know. I'm just not in the mood. But that's a good thing about ride sharing. You make your own hours. All right, but I'm done, and I just want to go home. All right, see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it is 7:24 in the morning. I'm probably not gonna start till about like 7:40. So, all right, it is Tuesday. I'm feeling a lot better. All right, let's see how much money we make today. Let's make this money. It is 1:14, and we did a total of 150. 150 for a Tuesday. Actually, it's pretty good for 1:14 p.m. All right, but let's keep it going. Let's keep making this money. All right, day's done. I finished the day off today at about like 9 o'clock with a total like a 240 or something like that. I should take a couple of hours off to do some bookkeeping. All right, and I still made 240. I can't believe it. Like 9 o'clock, I'm done for the day. All right, let's see how much I'm gonna make tomorrow. Just keep making this money. All right, it is Wednesday. It's 8 a.m. All right, we're gonna do a Mr. Car Wash right now to get the car all cleaned up. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday strategy is, the multi-apping strategy. All right, let's make this money. All right, did 209 today. It is what is it? It's 10:10. So during the day, I did multi-app all day. All right, and then in the PM, during the rush hour after 3 o'clock, I was doing all deliveries. But I only did 209, but that was because I took a couple of hours off to speak to some guy, that he's gonna be redesigning my website. So that took some time. But anyway, 209 for today. All right, still, let's keep it going. Tomorrow's Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Let's see how much money we make tomorrow. It is, oh my God, it's like 304, something like that. I made a total of 162, if I'm correct. All right, and I started the day off, about 8 a.m. today. So I don't know, I forgot to do the video. So, but 162 for today, and it's 304. So I'm a little bit ahead of schedule. So usually 12 o'clock is 100 and or 3, which would be 150. But anyway, for Thursday. All right, let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. Let's make this money. All right, so it is 8:58 p.m. and I made a total of 326 for a Thursday. Over 300, but that was because I did not pick up my daughter today. Daughter got picked up, so those couple of hours actually added up. See, so I'm talking about over 300 Thursday. All right, let's see how much we're gonna make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it's 1:16 p.m. I made a total of 126 for today. Today is the Friday hustle strategy, so today is as many tips as possible. So, all right, it's only 116. Let's see how many trips I make for today. I have a dinner reservation today at about 4:45, so today might be a really, really short day. So, but anyway, let's keep making this money. All right, so it's 10 o'clock. Well, I finished the day off at 10 o'clock. But from about 2 o'clock to I think it was like 8 o'clock, I took off. So I only made 183 for Friday. Really slow day. Had to do a couple of things. All right, but let's see how much we make tomorrow. Let's keep making this money. All right, it is 8:10 in the morning. All right, let's do the hustle on Saturday. Couldn't do it yesterday. A little busy. All right, but let's do it on Saturday. Let's make this money. All right, it is 1:17 p.m. and I made a total of I think it's like 167 or 160, somewhere around there. All right, only for 1 o'clock. All right, let's keep going. Let's see how much we make for the rest of the day. All right, so it is Saturday. I finished the day off making, what was it, like 317. All right, for today, and I finished the day off at 8. The reason why I finished early is because I got met a client today, and I got to pick him up and take him to do a private, basically a private car service. All right, so I got to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. All right, but 317 for today. All right, I think I'm gonna post it right there. All right, if for Saturday. All right, and let's finish everything tomorrow. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is 6:26 in the morning. Wow, I woke up at 3. All right, I couldn't sleep, so I woke up at 3 for Sunday. I had it was a 5:30 pickup at this particular hotel in the middle of nowhere. So I've been up for a while now. I'm getting back to work. There's a big search going on right now, so I'm just gonna stay up. All right, but yeah, 6:25 in the morning. Let's see how much money we make today.